Upoznajte Antonija Hollanda, dirigenta i doktora glazbene kulture na koledžu u Skidmoru u Saratoga Springsu u američkoj saveznoj državi New York. Život mu se promijenio kada je saznao za bioelektrični uređaj američkog inženjera Royala Raymonda Riffa koji je nastao tijekom 1930-ih. Fascinirala ga je tvrdnja da je uređaj mogao odašiljanjem radiofrekvencije uništavati mikroorganizme. Tako je uspostavio kontakt s izumiteljem Jamesom Barreom, koji danas izrađuje uređaje po Riffovim zamislima.
Antenna for this device is a very special antenna. It's a glass sphere. It's partially evacuated, and then it's backfilled or filled with a little bit of helium gas. And what happens is the pulsing radio frequencies are sent into this sphere, and they cause the helium gas to light up in like a fluorescent light, really. And when helium gas is electrified, it's called a plasma. And when you have a glass ball with a plasma that is pulsing inside of it, it acts like a special type of radio transmitter.
Antoniju je trebalo 15 mjeseci intenzivnih pokusa da pronađe pravi splet frekvencija koje dovode do uništenja mikroorganizama.
And one day, to my great surprise and delight, when I added the 11th harmonic of the original frequency, the blepharisma just shattered under the microscope like a crystal glass. It was unbelievable. And later I showed it to many of my colleagues in the biology department where I'm a professor. I'm a music professor, and I went to the biology department and I said, look at this video. And they all said the same thing. We have never seen anything like that. That's incredible. The way the organism literally shatters from one end to the other and breaks up into many, many small pieces and is destroyed, basically.